In this video, we have yet another Jamb Past Question on calculus. We are asked to find the y, the s, or find the derivative of the given questions. Solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. For we to solve this, the first thing to do is for we to rewrite y in such a way where we can take the derivative easily. So y can be written as x squared plus, from indices, we can rewrite this as x raised to the power of 1 all over 2. Now, we can find the y all over the x. That means we can differentiate this function with respect to x, which will give us 2x raised to the power of 2 minus 1 plus 1 all over 2x raised to the power of 1 all over 2 minus 1. The next thing to do is to rearrange this because we have found the derivative. So it then means that our dy all over the x will be equal to 2x raised to the power of 1. So we write 2x, just 2x, plus 1 all over 2 multiplied by x raised to the power of 1 all over 2 minus 1 will give us minus 1 all over 2. So this becomes our answer to the given question. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.